So I'm back at the dishwasher and it is still running and it's in the dry cycle, so I'm actually going to open it up so you can see the steam and that it's still running. Hopefully there's steam. So I'm unlocking it, opening. Oh, see, it's steaming up a little bit, so I'm going to wipe it off a little. And here we are. Let's see. It's still kind of grimy. Definitely not a squeaky feeling. And let's see our lid. And yeah, it's still dirty. So we'll keep washing it just to see how long it's actually going to take to get it clean. I really wish we had taken account when we first started doing it. Let's see, anything else? That one's okay. Let's see this one. Not very clean on the bottom. I mean, that's not steam. So that's kind of gross. We usually have to wipe stuff like this out. So let me check the bottom. You can see there's like dirt on the dishwasher. So if there's dirt on the dishwasher, what's on our dishes? So we open it up. Oh, luckily this time there's no standing water. So we're good on that. So basically, you know, it's just another regular wash. I mean, not everything gets clean. I mean, you can see for yourself. So that's that.